How to start learning Arabic the right way. If you want to learn Arabic but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the key steps that will save you time, effort, and confusion. Let's jump right in. Find your motivation. Feeling forced to learn that language? If you are, you won't see any real progress. Find your true motive. Why do you want to learn Arabic? To travel? To connect? That's your fuel. Strong foundations first. Modern Standard Arabic, MSA, versus local dialects. We know dialects can feel easier, but we recommend starting with Fusha first. Dialects vary from country to country, and even from one city to another. Once you learn MSA and build a solid base, moving to any dialect becomes much easier. Master the letters and sounds. Some Arabic letters might look similar, but their pronunciation is completely different. You must distinguish between pairs like ta, ba, sin, sad, and the difficult guttural sounds like ayn, kha. This is the foundation of correct pronunciation. How do you overcome this challenge? Listen and repeat constantly with native speakers. Avoid transliteration. Avoid converting Arabic letters into Latin letters. Your eyes need to get used to seeing the letters in their original Arabic form and linking them to their proper sounds. Writing Arabic words in Latin letters will never represent the sounds accurately or give the letters their true value. Stop overloading yourself with grammar. Don't overwhelm yourself with advanced or complicated Arabic grammar. Focus on the essentials: the present tense, the past tense, masculine and feminine forms, and singular and plural. Once you master these basics, you can move on to more advanced grammar. Less grammar, more words. Knowing more words makes it easier to express yourself. In real situations, it's the vocabulary you remember that helps you speak, not the grammar. Learn new words through real sentences, not in isolation. Use them in everyday situations to naturally build your vocabulary. Practice smart. Start small. Read, listen, and speak, even if you make mistakes. Arabic takes time, so don't expect perfect results right away. Start with easy material instead of long novels or difficult poetry. Try children's books or short social media posts. And even if you don't understand much at first, keep going. Don't just study Arabic, live with it. Make the language a small part of your day. Watch a short video, read a simple caption, or even switch your phone to Arabic. The more you surround yourself with the language, the more natural and familiar it becomes. You've taken the first steps toward learning Arabic, and the journey is only getting more exciting. In the next video, I'll show you 5 powerful strategies that will speed up your progress more than you can imagine. Don't miss it. See you in the next episode.
Expand your Arabic skills with your free AlifBee app trial today. It's packed with interactive lessons, stories, vocabulary lists, quizzes, and exercises to boost all your skill levels. Start your journey now. Click the link in the description below to get your free trial before it's gone. AlifBee.app/free14. AlifBee. Learn Arabic the smart way.